Alright, hi and welcome to the video. In this video, we are going to learn about view bags. So what is view bags and how we can use in MVC architecture for C# web apps, right? So let's get started. So in the tutorial number 3, basically I talked about action result, various type of action result, redirect to action, which basically redirects to a particular controller and an index. Then I talked about redirect, then I talked about action result, then I talked about a few more of them, file result, content result, and stuff like that. All right, so once that is done, now let me talk about basically view bags. So guys, you are now basically comes the C# part. Let's say you have a C# code, basically a list of people, and you want to display the list of people. So how do I pass the data to the HTML or the front end, right? So there is something called as view bags, right? So I'm going to be explaining you that. So I'm going to basically let us create a very basic list. So I'm going to say using using system why system dot was collections, yeah, system dot collections semicolon. So I'm gonna use a list, right? So I'm gonna say list string, I'm going to say languages is equal to new and followed by the list of string. Of course, this one. All right, so there I have a languages. Now I'm going to append some languages. So let's say language dot add. So I'm a full stack Python developer. I'm just learning C#. So I'm going to say Python. Oops, Python. Make sure to hit the semicolon. Let's add a couple of more language and then we're gonna pass this to the view bag. So I'm also learning C#, so I know that. So I'm just gonna pass various languages that I know. All right. So I know C#, I know Python. Then I also know C++. I know JavaScript, jQuery, Bootstrap. I think that's it for this video. I mean, I don't want to keep typing all of that. So what I'm trying to say is basically now I have an object of, I have data in this list basically, which is a list of string. Now I can say view bag dot language, and I can say language, right? So I have this view bag. Now I can access this view bag. All right, so even not for this one, let me just take a very simple example. I'm gonna show you a lot of stuff. So let me just comment that out and let me make all right. So copy that. All right, so I'm passing the language, right? Now let's go to the about page, right here. So now I'm going to inject that code here. So to inject the code, there is something called as @ symbol, and this is where you should write your code, right? Inside the @ symbol. Let me pull up my notes as well, so we can make this concept clear to you guys, right? So here you can see @ this is where you will write your code, right? So I'm gonna again go to my Visual Studio. Right now I can just write the code. So I want to access that element. So I'm gonna say at view bag dot, and I'm gonna access the language, right? So, and let's say I wanna inject an HTML content as well. H1. right? So this should be it. Let's run it and see. So this will basically inject the C# code. I'm injecting the C# code now with the HTML. So hopefully no errors. Yep, no errors. And in the next video, I'll be explaining you about the for, the if, and stuff like that. So if I go to the about page, so here you can see I'm a Python developer, which is basically passed from right here. So the string. So whatever you want to add, just put it in the view bag, and then you can access it in the HTML code, right? So thank you for watching, and in the next video I would be explaining you about the razor syntax, this is if, for, and stuff like that. So if you are enjoying this tutorial, please motivate me by giving a like on this video. Please share my video if possible, and if you have any more questions, please list them in the comment section below. I would be very happy to assist you. Once again, thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video.